to experience hunger and like really go through what other kids are going through. I don't know, it's a really good learning experience.
All my friends are going, and I thought it'd be really cool to help raise money for health cancer.
Seeing the kids come in and then dropping off their envelopes and actually seeing that they went out and raised actually a lot of money to help hungry kids around the world. So I was really excited about that.
My highlight's just the kids getting into it. It's more than just not eating, it's about faith and life and putting the two together. It's really exciting to hear stories and the kids saying, this is really what we are.
My heart screams, I am free. Yes, I am free.
I mean, they could be doing anything on a Friday night, but they take the time to not eat for 30 hours.
It stinks to be hungry. How much the grace of God really can help people, and how we should really help more people that don't have the money and don't really have the resources for all the food.
Takeaway, I've been helping a lot of children just by doing this famine.
How many lights are really going out every day? A kid every 3 seconds, that's kind of a lot.
If you're in this community and you haven't been to one before, come check it out. It's fun, you know, the more people that get together and work on stuff like this, the more fun it is, the more exciting it is, the more unity there is, and the more we can really be the church together.